February, heart of darkness, pit of anguish and despair. February is the harvest, the rotten fruit of all your prayers. Where the snow is gray and slushy, it's where the sky is gray and dread. It's where my mind is gray and mushy. It's where the future is the past, and now we must shovel out of our hollow house and go back. February in the gutter, rotten leaves and empty vines. Close the windows, shut the blinds. And sees the shadows all around. I can't blame him if he's found, as he burrows into disappear for 6 more years till the sun appears another day. February, please just leave us. I'm sick and tired of the rest. I know you're short and all with Jesus. The northern hemisphere. And I'd be dodging Keith Aguero, but his aim was never true. So I'll just sit and watch the sparrow, and I'll imagine that maybe I'll go somewhere new where the skies are blue and the days are long. La 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 to bring me here. This place is like the last frontier, and they don't even sell no souvenirs, 'cause there's no one here to buy them.